Pottery is an ancient art, but did you know it's also a perfect example of physics in action? Today we'll explore the forces, energy transformations, and motion involved in creating a bowl on the pottery wheel. First, we prepare the clay by wedging. This process uses compression force to push out air bubbles trapped in the clay. Why is this important? Any air bubbles left inside the clay can expand and cause the piece to explode when it's fired in the kiln. The force applied ensures the clay is dense and uniform, ready for shaping. Next, the clay is placed onto the wheel, and this is called throwing. When the clay hits the wheel, an inelastic collision occurs where the clay deforms but doesn't bounce back. The potential energy of the clay due to gravity is transformed into kinetic energy as the potter throws it downward. Key forces include gravitational force, pulling the clay downward, frictional force, which prevents the clay from slipping on the wheel, normal force exerted by the wheel to counteract the downward push.
Centering is crucial for shaping the clay. The potter uses one hand on top and another on the side, and the top hand will apply normal force pushing down to stabilize the clay and increase friction, ensuring that it stays on the wheel. And the side hand will apply an inward normal force compressing the clay towards the center and gently moving upwards to smooth it. Together, these forces will create balance, allowing the clay to spin uniformly as the wheel rotates. When it's time to open the clay, the potter will push their fingers into the center of the clay while using the palm to support the walls. A downward force will be applied by the fingers to create the opening, and a sideways force is applied by the palm to keep the clay stable and preventing it from widening too much. This careful balance of forces ensures that the walls are strong and evenly shaped. From wedging to shaping, creating a bowl involves many different forces, energy transformations, and precise control of motion. The art of pottery is as much about understanding physics as it is about creativity. The next time you see a beautiful ceramic piece like the ones that me and Violet made today, you'll know the science behind it.
Through this experience, Olivia and I went to Encinitas and we went to go make some pottery together. And who knew how much force, motion, and physics was involved in pottery? Thank you guys so much for watching.